Hi Taurus, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Taurus. For your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys, Taurus. We are picking few cards, Taurus. So these are for your general energies, Taurus. If you want more clarity in your situation, guys, you can watch the pick a card love reading I have right after this general energy, so that may give you more clarity in your situation, guys, Taurus. So let's see what are these cards. We have King of Cups, the Fool in reverse, and King of Pentacles in reverse. So, Taurus, in your situation, guys, it may be these cards may relate to your work or your relationship, guys. So, in your situation today, you are someone really creative, talented, you have a lot of skills, and you have that creative intelligence. So, whatever you do, you think it through, you have your inspiration guiding you, and you are someone who is really dedicated and devoted to whatever you do. So it may be your energy in work or in your relationship, whatever you take up, you are someone who is really responsible, caring, and protective in nature, guys, Taurus. But Taurus, today in your situation, it may be someone's attitude or it may be your attitude. Maybe for some reason you are quite careless or negligent towards something, or you are not able to be there, be responsible. Maybe something has happened and you are not able to concentrate in what you're doing. That may work against you, that may cause some kind of troubles in your situation, guys. Maybe your lack of attention or your careless attitude. So it may be your energy towards your work situation or towards your relationship, or it may be that person's energy towards love or towards your situation, guys. And I also see that in your situation, there are some things happening. Maybe you are quite, just like I said, something is making you avoid certain decisions or to make the right move. Something is holding you back, or it may be someone, maybe their suggestions or their advice. You want to have an engagement or marriage with this person, a firm commitment, but this person is holding you back. Their suggestions or ideas are acting as some kind of an obstacle, pulling you back today, and it is causing a lot of stress in you. And maybe for some of you, you are even having some illness, or it may be some kind of what to say, difficulties in your work. That is what is holding you back, stressing you a lot. You are unable to decide anything positively for this relationship, guys. So that is what I see with these cards, Taurus. If you want more clarity in your situation, Taurus, you can watch the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, we have 3 cards here. So any doubts or confusions, you can think about it. Close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start with this card, move on to this and then this. So let's start the reading after a few seconds of silence, guys. Okay, guys, so now let's start with the first card. I will leave these cards here. We will see what is the card for those who chose this card. It is flexible. So with this card, guys, the energy is that in your situation today, guys, we must be able to open up to a new relationship, to learn new things in that relationship, have that new experience. And what is needed of you right now is let go of your rigidity. You don't need to be right always. Sometimes that other person is also right. So you have to be ready for a happy compromise if you want to work things between you both. And the appearance of this card in a reading just means that you have met someone, but this person may not be up to your expectations. They may not be your dream person. But you need to let go of your ideas and expectation to see the truth. Maybe this person may not be up to your dreams or your expectations, but they are someone who is here, who may be right, and with whom you will feel you will connect in a different way and in a more beautiful way, and you will be happy that you have made the choice. But you need to be flexible to go for that connection, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys, for those who chose this card. That is the reading. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this card, the second card, we have the red shoes, obsession. So with this card, the energy is that maybe for some of you, you have chosen something, some path or some habit or some thing you considered as good for you, a recreation, a desire, something wonderful you feel, but it has taken over your life. It has made you a slave. So you are a slave to these addictions or some habits, and it is an unhealthy attachment that you have. It may be something you have on a person or a habit or a circumstance. You need to free yourself of your compulsion, guys, and you need to seek help and gain control of your life today, because these addictions are taking over you. These compulsive behaviors are changing the way things are in your life, and it has gone to that extent. So you need to be really careful, work on that. It is these compulsions are affecting the way you are in this relationship, the way you behave, and your life in general. So you need to take back your power. You should not give anyone or anything power over you. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading for you all. So let's see what is the third card. For those who chose this card, we have Archangel Zadkiel. So whenever we have an angel card, it just means that angels are there guiding us today, guys. And this angel card just means compassion and forgiveness. Maybe it is time for us to forgive ourselves for the mistakes we did in the past, or for the mistakes that our person did, and we need to move on our life and forgive that person and have that awareness, guys. See things with a broader perspective and a deeper understanding for everyone around us, maybe with this person we love. So when we see things from a different perspective, we understand that whatever happened is no one's mistake. It is all due to our circumstances. And we have to feel compassion towards ourselves and towards the people who are in relationship with us, and move on in our life, guys. Forgive ourselves and forgive that other person. That is the only way we can heal from these deep emotional wounds that we have in our life, guys. So that is the reading with this card, guys, for those who chose this card. Thank you for watching this video, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.